Done.
So, my friends and I are done with first semester of college.
Of medical school. Of pre-med.
Yes, and I got 2 A's and then 2 89s, which could have just been rounded up to an A, but they was being difficult. So, yeah, 2 A's and 2 B's. I didn't even eat breakfast this morning.
Yeah, I had some cereal.
I was rudely awoken.
February 23rd.
By what? By the dog?
By you.
She go to Lee College. You was at Lee College?
For graduation.
Oh, you graduated?
No.
I thought you graduated. I thought you like transferred in with like credits or something and you was done. Like, girl, only had to do 1 semester of college. I'm stupid. Okay. You old the flow, get
Tiffany's face, she did not laugh at all.
I don't know who you were referring to. No, it was my birthday. It was my 7th or 6th birthday. Like, man, I'm bored. I'm gonna go polish my chicken nails. So I went outside and like I taped the chicken down and like I was holding it by the neck and then it finally sat still. I was like, good, it's asleep, so now I can like paint his nails. So it's a white chicken. Picture a white chicken with some pink nails, bro. That was bad. Okay, so I finished painting the chicken nails, took all the tape off, took off a couple fellas. I was like, okay, well, that'll just grow back because it's a chicken. Like fellas grow back, right? Right. Get up, like I was like, chicken, get up. The chicken was not waking up. So I was like, oh man, I'm gonna tell my daddy I killed the chicken. Okay, I'm gonna tell my daddy that I went outside and the chicken was dead.
But the nails were painted.
And I'm gonna say that I painted his nails for his funeral.
Pink?
And then so I got to my daddy and I was like, Daddy, somebody killed the chicken. So, you know, I'm 7. Go outside, you know. Oh wait, I forgot to tell you what I did before that. I chopped it up, put it on a plate, put it under the house to make it look like someone like slaughtered it. I promise I was not gonna grow up to be a murderer. I was just trying to make it look like that I didn't kill the chicken, so I wouldn't be bad, you know. Because you know we got foxes and raccoons, you know. So maybe a raccoon probably like sliced it up, put it on the thing, was saving it for later or something. I don't know. That was my life as a 7-year-old.
What did you cut it up with?
A machete.
What did you get? Pause. Why do you have access to a machete at 7 years old?
Because I knew where my daddy kept all his weapons. Yeah. So, I told my daddy, he was like, Dejah. And I was like, yes, Daddy. He was like, did you kill the chicken? I was like, I was lying. You know I was lying because my voice get all squeaky. And I was like, I went outside. It was under the house. And I was sad because I just got the chicken, you know. And at the end I was like, I'm sorry, Daddy. I killed the chicken. I just went to paint his nails and then died. He was like, Dejah. I was like, I'm sorry. And then, you know, I was grabbed it. I would have beat your ass. I did get my ass beat, you know. But I want to leave that part out. I think I was an abusive child or something. I'm killing chickens and I'm abused. Okay, it all adds up now.
What are you gonna do? Stand there?
Who is it?
Girl, I ordered no pizza.
Hi! Oh, Tiffany! Oh, okay.
Really?
But I'll take it. No, right.
Okay. So, we already know who Lindsay is. This is Tiffany. This is Dejah. Her face. This is Dejah. Say hi, Dejah.
Hi, Dejah.
Okay.
That was racist. You're bad.
Okay, there. Now you say hi, Dejah. Oh, I mean, yeah, say hi, Dejah. Hi, Dejah. Say hi, hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube, Krystel. Brights. Oh, now y'all know her middle name. She didn't already tell you.
Levine?
No. Okay, mommy. We're about to go. Yeah, you know what you eating?
I really don't know. Something with apples. It's like crumbly. Apple crumble. Crumble apples.
I know what you're trying to say, but I don't feel like you got it yet.
Wait, what did she try to say? What did you say?
What is it called? It's not apple crumble. No.
Apple critter. Come in slow. Put it real slow.
Right by the Christmas tree.
Stop. Stop. Come on.
Yeah, this is spin class.
What is happening?
Can't do it. I'm trying to exchange my energy, but she won't let me. She won't let me. Now I gotta rebuild it. Oh.
Guys, so this is Lindsay's room. Wow.
Oh, we haven't done the closet. You have 2 closets? That's not fair either.
Oh yeah, that door gets stuck.
Try to stick in the
So is this originally supposed to be the what's
Master?
the room?
the master?
No.
Because they don't have their own.
Yeah, they do.
Oh. I didn't see another door in there.